everyone. Welcome to another Tasty Explorations video. It is the month of April, finally here, and it's no joke. We've had quite the winter, and especially with that last minute blizzard there in the middle of March. So I was in the mood for some cozy food, thinking about all that, and this month's book is Made in India, Recipes from an Indian Family Kitchen. And it's by Meera Sodha. And this is a really fun little book. It's very, I would say, charming. Has some nice photographs. And the recipes are very simple. For the most part, there are, of course, unique ingredients that we're not used to here in the Midwest. But I like that it's a really nice taste of the culture. I don't know much about Indian food. I haven't really ever explored it. I can't say that I had ever had a particular interest in trying it, but it's nice. There's a lot of her family history and just some fun things. One of my favorite parts is there's this little section in here called Eat Like an Indian, Think Like an Indian. And I like that, she says you eat with your hands, and if you're a host, you feed your guests until they're ready to burst. That's the ultimate sign of hospitality. The idea that you call any person or elder older than you, a woman would be called auntie, and an older man would be called uncle, even if they aren't related. It's a very nice little summary of the culture, I think. So, and a very colorful book. It's nice to look at. So today I decided to go with the spicy lamb burgers. But I changed the recipe a little bit and made it more of a sloppy joe rather than a burger patty, because it's not quite grilling season yet. So I like my burgers grilled. So instead of turning them into patties, I just took all the ingredients and made it into a sloppy joe type mix, but same thing. It smells delicious. I'm letting it cool off right now as we speak. So we can't wait to try that. Definitely different ingredients than what I would normally put into a burger. And then I'm also doing the baked masala fries. So there's no picture of this recipe, but you can't have a burger without fries, right? So that is what I'm going to do, and we're going to see how those bake up in the oven and give them a taste. I think it's going to be quite delicious, so let's check that out. Okay, so the fries are still cooking, but before I give a little taste test here of the spicy lamb burger, I am going to remind you that we are doing a spice club right now for the next few months, and this is sponsored by the Prairie Lakes Library System. And this month's spice is the 5 Chinese spice, or Chinese 5 spice, however you want to say it, which is it's a unique blend of different kinds of spices, and you can pick up your sample of that. The recipe on the back is for a Chinese barbecue pork, which that sounds pretty good. So yeah, let's take a look at the sloppy joe version of the spicy lamb burger. It smells really good, those green chilies and garlic that's in there, and then the little bit of ginger. I think it's going to have a nice little kick to it. Now it is sloppy, but the book here, Made in India, says you're supposed to eat with both hands. So that's a really good flavor. It has just a little bit of heat to it, but it's not so hot that I can't handle it. I'm usually a mild flavor person, so that's good, but it's definitely lamb. You can tell it's not pretending to be beef. So if you've never had lamb or you're not a fan of that, you may you'll notice the difference. So, but it's really good. I'm excited to try the fries. I hope you get to check out this book and try some of the different things. Let me know what you make. We can always order the book for you, or you can stop on by and pick up a copy. Otherwise, we will see you at the library next time. I hope you all have a great day. Bye!